Hey, hello everybody. How are you doing? I hope everybody is fine. Today's Thursday, July 28th, 2022, and I'm going to Guarulhos Airport here in Brazil. In a few hours, I have my flight to Europe, and I will start my Euro trip this year. I will visit 16 countries. So my flight will depart from Sao Paulo, will go directly to Rome, Italy. From there, I have a connection flight to Brussels, about 2 hours from Rome to Brussels, and from Brazil, Sao Paulo to Rome, Italy, it's about 12 hours flight. I'm going to fly with ITA Airways. This is the former Alitalia Airways. This is my first time flying with them, with an Italian airline. So let's check it out. I hope to show you guys everything. All these 16 countries I will visit for the first time. So I'm very excited. It's summertime, temperature, weather, super nice. I'm already in Guarulhos Airport, terminal number 3. This is one of the biggest and newest airports here in Brazil, and also one of the most important here. Let's take a look here. This part, we have some airplanes here. Let's see which one we have here. We have airframes here. Very big boy. So great, so cool. Others there. There's almost no one here. Let me see if I can see my flight. Okay. We have TAP Portugal there. I listened a lot of complaints about ITA Airways. Let's see what you think about this airline. It's quite new airline. Before it was Alitalia, but it had a lot of problems. It went bankruptcy, and the Italian government kinda saved it. Tried actually. ITA Airways bought Italia, so let's see how will be my experience there. So I think that's our airplane. It's still stopped there in the middle between Latam and Lufthansa. We have ITA right here. And here, let's see our flights. We still don't have the gate. That's our airplane right there in the middle. Let's see it. Yeah, right there. It's cool.
Essa é sua última oportunidade para embarque através do portão número 307. E com sua atención, cliente, passando pelo deserto no Nossa Santiago, essa é a última.
Fica bom, né? Se ninguém tem pra cá. Esse meio aqui tá abarrotado.
Não, não deu. Não, nem deu tempo. Você não acredita que deu tempo que eu cheguei.
A gente vai descer em Colombo, a gente vai pra cidadezinha, pra Yankó.
I think that in 30 minutes more or less this airplane will take off and it's full. I thought it would be empty, but there's a lot of people. And it's a regular Airbus 330. The configuration looks like modern. They like renewed this airplane because all these airplanes, aircrafts, they were farmers Alitalia ones, so they are renewed and looks like very nice. We have this remote control here, so yeah, I caught the others airlines. No difference.
Kindly ask you to pay attention to the following presentation concerning safety procedures of this aircraft. Il bagaglio a mano deve essere sistemato sotto la poltrona davanti a voi o negli appoggiamenti sopra di voi. Your hand baggage must be placed under the seat in front of you or in the overhead lockers. Allacciate la cintura di sicurezza e regolatela. Per slacciarla, sollevate l'apposita parte del fibbia. Vi suggeriamo di mantenere la cintura di sicurezza sempre allacciata quando siete seduti. Fasten your seatbelt and adjust it. To release it, lift the top of the buckle. We suggest to keep your seatbelt fastened while sitting. Chiudete i tavolini e posizionate lo schienale della poltrona verticalmente prima del decollo e dell'atterraggio. Lock your tray tables and make sure that the seat back is in the upright position for takeoff and landing. In caso di depressurizzazione, le maschere per l'ossigeno si renderanno automaticamente disponibili. Prendete una maschera e attivatela tirandola verso di voi. Coprite naso e bocca, regolatela e respirate normalmente. Indossate prima la vostra maschera e poi aiutate chi necessita della vostra assistenza. La maschera per l'ossigeno funziona regolarmente anche se il sacchetto di plastica non si gonfia. In case of loss of cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically be available. Activate your mask by pulling it towards you. Cover nose and mouth and breathe normally. Fit your mask first and then help those who need your assistance. The oxygen mask works properly even if the plastic bag does not inflate. Tutte le uscite di emergenza di questo aereo sono indicate da appositi segnali. Individuate quelle più vicine a voi. Un sentiero illuminato faciliterà il raggiungimento delle uscite. All the emergency exits of this aircraft are shown by appropriate signs. Locate the ones nearest to you. An illuminated escape path marking will help you to reach the exit. In caso di rapido abbandono dell'aereo, lasciate a bordo il bagaglio a mano, togliete le scarpe con i tacchi alti. Scendete tramite gli appositi scivoli e allontanatevi subito dall'aereo.
The best time of the trip arrived, the lunch time. So we have two options, pasta and meat. I asked for meat because I think it's stronger. I'm avoiding carbohydrates. I will show you guys here what I got. Looks like delicious. Orange juice. We have here potatoes, meat, some vegetables. We have here some some cookies. Also, we have here butter. We also have bread. And we have here, I think it's a dessert. Looks like a pudding, something like that. And here we have the salad, lettuce, and also we have ham here. So let me try it. I was already very hungry. Let's see. It's great. It's delicious. It's very good. We are still under the Brazilian territory. We're very close to some northeast states of Brazil. We are on the Atlantic Ocean, and we still have a lot of hours until we arrive to Europe. Before we will fly over Africa, Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, and then we go up to Rome, Italy. So this is a very nice bathroom. Grazie mille. Grazie mille. Finalmente. Well guys, this flight was amazing. I just loved it. It was very smooth, almost no turbulence, and I was next to a very nice person. I just met this Brazilian woman and we were talking, and it was so cool. It is so nice when we find someone very nice at our flight. Oh yeah. So this is my first route. Now I just have 1 hour here in Rome, and I will take my second flight to Brussels. It's about 7:30 a.m. here, and it's very hot. It's very warm, a very big difference from Sao Paulo. I believe the temperature there, I'm sure the temperature there in Brussels will be much lower, much fresher.
Beste reizigers, binnen enkele ogenblikken komen we aan in Brussel. Deze trein stopt in Brussel-Noord, Brussel Centraal en Brussel-Zuid. Eerstvolgende halte Brussel-Noord. Chers voyageurs, dans quelques instants nous arrivons à Bruxelles. Cette train serait à Bruxelles-Nord, Bruxelles Central et Bruxelles Midi. Prochain arrêt Bruxelles-Nord.